Hi, this is Jay at Sinister Airbrush, and today we're going to do part 2 of the RedFox Baggers Hooligan Performance Bagger Kit test fit. We've already got it mounted on the bike. Pretty straightforward. All the OEM bolts work on it for mounting your rear fender and for mounting your bags. So that's pretty straightforward. And we'll get into the fitment and take a look at how it fits and looks on the rear end of this bike. Now that we're at the rear of the bike on my 22 Road Glide Special, you can see that the bags fit tightly between the filler panels and the chopped back end of the bags. The rear fender swoops down with the tailbone accent, and you can also see that although the rear fender drops down a little bit, it's really not much farther down than the bottom of the bag. It's almost level. And at the right angle, you'll see that this actually curves back a little bit towards your rear fender. Really tight fitting. There's very little gap in between. Lines up perfectly from bag to fender. The lids are basically stock OEM lids. Take all the OEM hardware. They fit tight on. Right now they don't have gaskets in them, but they'll accept stock OEM gaskets. So I know that's gonna be a tight fit. Quality seems really well, and it's solid. So I'm really excited about seeing this on my bike. I think it's gonna be just a badass addition to the performance bagger world out there. Now I'm going to show you different angles of the Hooligan kit. If you want to order, call RedFox Baggers at 866-922-4437 or visit the website at redfoxbaggers.com.